this video we going to do the oral practice of the nasal and affricate consonants. So let's begin. The first point of the exercise that is used with the phoneme J. So let's begin. I went to a small Russian village. Cabbage is my favorite vegetable. I'm going to the coach station. Can you check the temperature, please? And the second part of the practice is with the nasal phonemes. So, one day, 7-year-old Norma was sitting and watching her mother wash the dishes at the kitchen sink. She suddenly noticed that her mother had several strands of white hair sticking out of her brunette. So this is the other practice of the affricate and nasal phonemes consonant sounds. So thanks for watching.